Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, check Windows Update and install all available updates before repairing. Restart the PC after updates finish installing to ensure services restart. Next, run WS Reset. EXE from the Start menu to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Wait about 2 to 5 minutes for the tool to finish and close automatically. Then verify at least 500 MB free disk space on your system drive. If problems persist after these checks, proceed to the built-in troubleshooter and deeper steps. Open Settings and navigate to System Troubleshoot Other Troubleshooters to find the Windows Store Apps tool. Run the troubleshooter and apply any fixes it recommends automatically. If issues continue, open Settings Apps Installed Apps and locate Microsoft Store. Select Advanced Options and choose Reset to restore defaults and clear data. Wait until Windows reports the reset completed successfully before reopening the store. Finally, sign out and sign back into your Microsoft account to refresh licensing and catalog access. If Reset and Troubleshooter do not fix the store, run system file checks to repair corruption. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano, then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. After repairs, re-register the store packages using an elevated PowerShell command and add apps package for the Microsoft Windows Store Package Manifest. If reinstall fails, create a new local administrator account to test whether the issue is profile specific. As a last resort, perform an in-place Windows repair using the Media Creation tool to preserve files while restoring system components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.